look at this exhibition. So let me go tell you now, when it comes down to Jamaican adventures and Jamaican tourism, one of the people them who need to get an award, they are the unsung heroes, are those raft men. Because besides the little riri where might happen from time to time, the fact that these men are walking, breathing entertainment coordinators that would have been tremendous employees at any hotel in Jamaica, because they understand how to really be we call it communicate. They understand how to entertain, and they know how to interact and bond with people from all walks of life. Just look at this exhibition. I mean, what more to say? All I know, him probably get a very good tip after that.